What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you've read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, guys, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's Frisky Friday video, I will be doing a Shein haul. It's not a clothing haul because it's not only clothing in here, but it's just a Shein haul with some little stuff that I got from Shein that I'm going to share with you guys. Now, the first item that I want to share with you guys is this cute little vintage bag. I chose white. It is not as white as I thought it would be. It is showing white here, but in reality it's really like this creamish looking color, but the color that I chose was white, so I don't know what's up with that, but I still love this bag. I think it's super cute and I cannot wait to pair it with something and wear it out. The next item that I got is some heels. These are super cute. I really love them. I cannot wait to wear everything that I got. But these, I'm not a fan of heels. I am really not a fan of heels, but I feel like the heels are just right for me. And it's white. I love white. I really wish though that these would match the bag, but the bag, it is not as white as the heel, so but I really wish it was as white like it. But I cannot wait to wear these out. I don't know where because I don't really go like that, but super cute. I love them. I cannot wait to pair them with something and wear them out. The next item I got are some jewelries. I'm gonna start off with these mid rings. I have them in silver and I have them in gold. I already removed some of the silver ones because I've had these for a while now. I just did not get the chance to do the video, but these are super cute. I love the way how they fit on my fingers. I realized that these are super trendy right now. They were trendy once, but they are like coming back in style now, so I'm kind of excited that I got these. The next jewelry that I got are the zodiac sign ankle bracelets, and as y'all know, I am a Cancer, so they say Cancer. I have one in silver and I have one in gold. These are cute. They were a bit huge to me when I just got them. I did not expect them to be this size, but they're really cute. I tried one on actually. I really like it. I love them. The next jewelry that I got are these necklace. They're actually butterfly pendant necklace. I really love these. They are super cute. I cannot wait to wear these. The links are really nice. They're not really my type of links, but I really like them. I cannot wait to wear them. And as you guys know, if I'm wearing silver, it has to be full silver. If I'm wearing gold, it has to be full gold. That's why I'm so excited that I got these mini jewelry. I cannot wait to wear them and take cute pictures. I'm so excited. They're really cute. I love them. The next item that I got is these sunglasses. These are some cute sunglasses. I've seen them in mostly nude and pink and another color, but I got this in blue because I have a bathing suit that I plan to wear this with. It's really cute. I like it. It comes in this case. This is such a nice packaging, and it also has the little thingy in there to like clean it. This is so cute. I cannot wait to wear this. The last item that I got is this swimsuit. This is super cute. Come on. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. This is super cute. I cannot wait to wear these. I'm not a fan of blue, but trust and believe, I love these. I really hope it matches with the sunglasses. Let me see. A little bit. I feel like this is going to be a nice color on my skin. Come on. So cute. Damn. That is it from me in today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive comments. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my socials at AYAFARRR. That is IFR with 3 R's. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.